Hello, it's Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. I am winging it solo. Mom's not here in the live with me, but I wanted to walk you through what tomorrow is. So today is October 1st. Tomorrow is October 2nd, aka World Card Making Day. And we are so excited for this. We've been planning this for a while. We had a lot of fun for the past couple of years, and we wanted to do something for you all again. So for World Card Making Day this year, we are going to be doing a whole bunch of lives, or not lives, sorry, I'm doing a live. That's why I said it was a live. But we are going to be doing some videos. We're going to publish some videos tomorrow. We're going to go live at 10 a.m. Central Time, me and Mom, on Facebook and on Instagram and on YouTube, walking you through how World Card Making Day is going to work tomorrow and kind of kick off in a big celebration. Then at 12 p.m., at 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. Central Time, we're going to publish videos on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So you want to know all three of those platforms. We can be found at Stampin Bae, B-A-E, and you want to go to those platforms, comment on them, because those comments are going to get you entered in for a grand prize giveaway, which I'll show you here in a second. So that's going to be kind of like an asynchronous, me and my higher education terms. That's going to be the part of World Card Making Day that's not going to be with us fully live throughout the day, but the second part of World Card Making Day is going to actually happen the following Saturday. Yes, Saturday, October 9th. And that is when we are going to do our giveaway. We are going to announce who our winner is. So you have a chance to get your name entered in 9 times if you visit all 3 of our platforms, because we have 3 videos, 3 platforms. 3 videos, the same ones, are going to be posted on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So that's to prepare you a little bit for tomorrow. But also, if you put a $35 order in through us online at stampinbae.com/shop, you will get the make and take packets to make all 3 cards that we are going to show you tomorrow. So there's a lot of good things that are going to be happening. Bernice says she's ready. Who else is ready? I'm really excited for this. I'm pumped. So it's kind of like an extended World Card Making Day, and we're going to turn it kind of into World Card Making Week. So you'll have all week to comment on those videos. I highly encourage to do it tomorrow while you're hopefully crafting and making some cards yourself. And then, yeah, all you have to do is make sure that you put that $35 order in between October 2nd and October 9th, for those of you who are in the United States with us. And then we'll send you the make and takes to make the 3 cards. And then you can watch the videos again and follow along, all that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to say hi. It's been a minute. Look, I got my hair cut. It's short. It's not long anymore. I know we've been kind of absent for a little bit, but we're planning to get back on track here shortly. We just had some family illnesses going on, and so that's why we had to take care of that. We'll be back. Don't worry. Next week we're going actually on a crafting retreat, so we might go live in our exclusive Facebook group and show you what we've been making, but then from there on out we'll be back to our normal schedule because we miss you guys. It's so much fun hanging out with all of you. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments here. I'll read them, reply to all of you, and then everything will be posted so you could see the timeline of when we'll be live and when the videos will get posted. We're gonna have so much fun tomorrow. Karen, I missed you too. But yes, any questions, feel free to let us know. All the details will be posted on our blog, and we will see you tomorrow on World Card Making Day at 10 a.m. Central Time. Mom and I will both be live. Awesome, everyone. Bye.